Hello, children. How are you? I hope you are well at home. See, today I am going to teach you the second sem Sonu and his friends in English. First, I will read the lesson, then I'll explain it. One day, while Mishraji was having an afternoon nap, the doorbell rang. He did not get up from his bed. He knew that it was Sonu and his friends ringing the bell to disturb him. Though he was not feeling well, he could not rest. Sonu and his friends were feeling very happy. They had spent the entire day disturbing the elderly people of their building by ringing their doorbells. For them, it was fun ringing the bell and then waiting for the people to come slowly to the door was a fun activity for those naughty children. When the door was opened, the children would hide under the staircase, holding their breath. Mishraji stayed alone on the fourth floor while Sonu and his parents stayed on the fifth floor of the same building. That same evening, Sonu was alone at home. His parents had gone out. He decided to watch the TV and in his parents' room. As soon as he put out his hand to switch on the lights, he heard some whispering. Sonu got very scared. He ran out of the house as quickly as possible. He ran down the steps. He needed help. He could only think of Mishraji. He pushed and kept on pushing Mishraji's doorbell, his eyes full of tears. Sonu thought that Mishra uncle would not open the door. But the door opened. Mishraji asked him, "What happened, Sonu? Why are you crying?" Between sobs and hiccups, Sonu told him about the strange sound in the house. Mishraji held Sonu's hand and to comforted him. He then called some other people and together they went to Sonu's house. They caught two thieves in the house. In the meantime, the police came. The people handed the thieves over to the police. Sonu felt very bad. He had spent the entire day troubling the sick Mishraji, but the same man had saved him and his house from thieves. He apologized to Mishra uncle and promised never to ring doorbells to disturb anybody. Sonu narrated the whole incident to his friends and they also promised themselves that they would never ring doorbells to disturb anybody. You see, Sonu and his friends. See, one day while Mishraji was having an afternoon nap means a short sleep. So Mishraji was taking a short sleep. So on that time the doorbell rang. Who doing like that? So the Sonu and his friends. So he get up and from his bed and he go to open the door. But when he opened the door, they are hiding. Though he was not feeling well, he could not rest the entire day. Sonu and his friends were feeling very happy when their door they're ringing the doorbell. They are very happy. They had spent the entire day disturbing the elder people of their building by ringing the doorbells. So all the day they are ringing the bells. Those who are leaving the elder people because the elder people they needed rest no, so they are always making disturbance for them. So like doing this they get the fun. So they're ringing the bell and waiting some time. When the people came and opened the door, they're hiding near the staircase. Like this, they are the very naughty. Is it no? Sonu and his friends, they are making very naughty. So one day, Mr. J stayed alone on the fourth floor while Sonu and his parents stayed on the fifth floor on the same building. Sonu, they are living in the fifth floor, and Mr. G is a elder person, he is in the fourth floor. So one day evening, Sonu was alone at home. So in the fifth floor, the Sonu was very alone. Alone means he is one only. He is living one only because his parents out somewhere. And that time, he decided to watch the TV in the parents' room. So when he went to the parents' room, he heard some whispering sound. Whispering ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಣಗುಟ್ಟೋದು, something voice they listened, and Sonu got very scared. That means he is very afraid. So at that time he went out of the house fastly, and he ran down to the steps, and he need the help. So he went to the Mr. G's house. He rang the bell of the Mr. G's house. Then when he opened the door, the Mr. G's, he had so much tears full of the eyes. Then he is making heck cubes. Heck cubes ಅಂದರೆ ಅಳುವಾಗ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಳಾಗ ಅಳುವಾಗ ಹೆಕ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಕ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್. ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಜೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ what happened Sonu, like he explained everything what happening in the house. He listened whispering sound. Again he somebody knocking the door. That all he said to the Mr. G's. Again Mr. G's called other peoples also what happening in the Sonu house. When they went to the Sonu's house, they got the thieves. Thieves means they are making the crime, and that means they are making the robbery in his house. So they called to the policeman. So on the time the policeman was came, they catch to the thieves and they take to the police station. So on that day Sonu felt very bad. He had spent entire day troubling the some people's elder people's, no. So on that time he thought should not make any disturbance to the others. But the same man had saved him his house from the thieves. Is it no? The Mr. G saved his house and from him also. So he apologizes to the Mishra's uncle. So that means apology means he make the sorry to the Mr. G's. Again he promised he never to door ring the doorbells, like that he said to the Mr. G's. So Sonu narrated this incident to his friends. That means he always said to his friends same this what happened in his life, and he explained to the friends should not do the naughty things with the elders. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson. I'll give the notes. You can complete the notes children. Bye.